everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to see Instagram watch history. So let's dive right into it. Once you are in your Instagram account, head over to your profile by tapping on the profile icon. Then tap on the hamburger menu on the upper right corner. Then you can see an option called Your Activity. Tap on it. And here you can see an option Likes. So head on it. As you can see, all the reels or videos you have watched, you can see here. So yeah, that was easy, right? If this video helped you out, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. We will see you in the next video.